Hey there, everyone, and welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today we're diving into an intriguing topic: what women are really looking for while you're trying to impress them. Oftentimes, we put a lot of effort into trying to impress someone we're interested in, but what if I told you that there are certain qualities and behaviors that women value even more than grand gestures? In this video, we'll explore what truly catches a woman's attention and leaves a lasting impression. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our valuable content. Let's get started. Segment 1. Authenticity. First and foremost, authenticity is key. While you're trying to impress, women are looking for the real you. Being genuine and true to yourself is not only attractive, but it also fosters trust and connection. Segment 2. Confidence. Confidence is a trait that can leave a significant impact. While you're attempting to impress, women are often observing your self-assuredness. Confidence exudes a magnetic energy that can be very appealing. Segment 3. Respect. Respect is non-negotiable. While trying to impress, it's crucial to remember that women are looking for someone who treats them with respect and values their opinions. Respecting boundaries and acknowledging her individuality goes a long way. Segment 4. Active listening. Active listening is a powerful quality that women appreciate. While you're trying to impress, remember that women are looking for someone who pays attention to what they say. Engage in meaningful conversations and show that you value her perspective. Segment 5. Kindness and empathy. Kindness and empathy are highly attractive. Women notice how you treat others and whether you demonstrate care and empathy. Being compassionate and considerate speaks volumes about your character. Segment 6. Thoughtfulness. Thoughtfulness is a gesture that doesn't go unnoticed. Women often appreciate little acts of thoughtfulness that show you care. Surprises, remembering special occasions, and small acts of kindness can leave a big impact. Segment 7. Supportive nature. Being supportive of her goals and dreams is crucial. Women value a partner who believes in their potential and supports their aspirations. Encourage her to chase her dreams and be there to celebrate her successes. Segment 8. Sense of humor. A good sense of humor is a trait that women find charming. While you're trying to impress, remember that making her laugh can make a lasting impression. Laughter can create a strong bond and make you more attractive. Segment 9. Communication skills. Effective communication is essential. While you're trying to impress, women are assessing your ability to engage in meaningful conversations. Express yourself clearly, and be a good conversationalist. Segment 10. Independence. Independence and having a life of your own is attractive. Women appreciate a partner who has their interests and a sense of individuality. It shows that you're not seeking someone to complete you, but to complement your life. Segment 11. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a valuable quality. Women often look for someone who can navigate complex emotions and understand their feelings. It's a sign of maturity and a strong connection. Segment 12. Trustworthiness. Being trustworthy is essential. While trying to impress, remember that women want to feel secure and know they can rely on you. Honesty and reliability build trust. Segment 13. Patience and understanding. Patience and understanding are virtues that women value. They appreciate someone who's willing to take the time to truly connect, be patient when needed, and empathetic in challenging times. Segment 14. Ambition and drive. Having ambition and a sense of purpose is appealing. Women are often attracted to someone with passion and determination. Pursue your goals with enthusiasm and show that you're dedicated to self-improvement. Segment 15. Positivity. Positivity is contagious. While trying to impress, remember that women are drawn to someone who brings a positive attitude and outlook on life. Optimism can uplift the spirit of the relationship. In conclusion, impressing someone isn't just about grand gestures and showing off. It's about embodying these qualities and behaviors that women value in a partner. Authenticity, confidence, respect, and kindness are the building blocks of a lasting connection. So, remember, it's not just about what you do, it's about who you are. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone, and may your relationships be filled with authenticity, love, and lasting connections.